What's up, everyone? It's time to clean my NES cartridges again. The reason why I say again is because at some point I already tried cleaning my NES cartridges. Well, actually I cleaned all of them. In fact, I don't know if you guys know this yet, but chances are you don't. But I got new games after my NES review, which was sometime after Christmas. But sometime after that, I got more games. Includes Donkey Kong 3. But that's all I'm going to show you right now because all my other NES cartridges work just fine. So that's why I've only got these two, because I replaced the 72-pin connector on my NES. And I realized that these games don't work, but all the other ones do perfectly. So I'm going to try cleaning them again to make them work too. Now, you might as well expect this also to be a tutorial, kind of, sort of, maybe, not really. And for starters, I picked up Everyday Living Glass Cleaner. I know most people use Windex, but unfortunately I don't have Windex, but I do have this, so it seems very similar to Windex. So I'm sure it should work just fine. And I got some cotton swabs to help do the job. Oh, I might need to pick up some paper towels for a moment. Hang on just a sec. I guess this should be enough. Got like 3 strips or whatever. Yeah. So it's time to clean my NES cartridges. First thing you want to do is grab one paper towel, take one of your NES cartridges and place them like so, flat on your paper towels. This will prevent you from getting any messes. So, first things first, you want to take your NES cartridge, hold it up like so, and spray right into it. So now you're thinking, oh, it's all wet, now it's going to destroy the thing, but nope, actually this is perfectly safe, I recently realized, because actually, after doing this, my NES games worked even better than they did before. So, another reason why you have paper towels to wipe off any messes that got outside the cartridge. Now, the rest is all inside, so now you're going to take your cotton swab and rub against the chip. I'd recommend rubbing against the chip. Do a better job of cleaning it. So I'm starting by cleaning Donkey Kong 3. You'll know just by rubbing it even a little, you'll know why your cartridges need cleaning. You'll notice that, I don't know if you guys can see it, but look how black that is. Yeah, that's what can gather up inside your NES cartridges and prevent them from working and get in the way of your fun on your NES games. So it may take like up to 5 cotton swabs just to rub out all that Windex and all that gunk that prevents you from enjoying your games on your NES. So you may end up using about 5 cotton swabs maybe. And don't worry too much about the Windex damaging your cartridge. In fact, your cartridge should be just fine. In fact, I don't have any official proof that this works. Well, actually I do, but it's upstairs in my room. in my NES, which will officially prove it. I noticed that there's still some left outside the cartridge, so now I'm just going to continue on rubbing it again and probably take like 5 cotton swabs, like I'm done with my second one already. Should be done in no time. I'm really hoping that this will work because it's my last chance of getting these NES games to work. But I'm just assuming that last time I tried to clean them that I didn't try hard enough when it came to Donkey Kong 3 and Super Mario Brothers. Now the reason why I'm cleaning Donkey Kong 3 is a different reason from Super Mario Brothers and Duck Hunt. The reason why I'm cleaning Donkey Kong 3 is because I've noticed some graphic problems with this game. Like whenever the tile screen shows up, it shows like all... It's hard to explain it. But, yeah, graphics are all weird. I mean, like, it's not glitchy or anything, but just it looks weird. It's hard to see the game in that respect, so I'm gonna just keep on cleaning this till we're all done. Should be all dry when you're done. That's how you'll know when you're done. Okay, now onto my 5th, and should be my last. I'm just gonna rub out any Windex remaining. That should be all done. You'll end up with a bunch of black cotton swabs. We'll want to stick those in your ears, like some people do, just to clean them. Well, 5 cotton swabs later, this NES cartridge is now clean. At least it should be. Now, I'm going to clean Super Mario Brothers and Duck Hunt. The first game I ever tried cleaning was The Legend of Zelda: The Gold Cartridge, which I also have. It's an awesome game. I really love it. But this was the game I originally had. So now I'm going to clean Super Mario Brothers. I'm going to use the same technique that I used with Donkey Kong 3, but first things first, gotta get these out of the way. And get a new paper towel. Lay it flat like so on there. And I'm gonna start. Oh crap. Keeps on rolling around like that. Hate that. You may find it easier just to simply squirt directly into the cartridge, because the main thing you're cleaning is the chip that you see inside there. I don't have a flashlight, so I know it's hard to see. This dim light that apparently I have. So now I'm going to start cleaning Super Mario Brothers and Duck Hunt, the Tune 1 cartridge. Look at that gunk. Ew, that's gross. Yeah, I know. It surrounds the tip of the cotton swab now. This is the gunk that you hate. You don't want it to live inside your NES cartridges. It prevents you from having your fun that you deserve. I am Multi-Classic Gamer. Thank you for watching my tutorial on how to clean your NES cartridges. I'm not trying to copy people who have already made them, but I'm just helping a little, just to show you guys, those of you who have NES games that don't work. So now I'm going to clean Super Mario Brothers. So thank you for watching. Multi-Classic Gamer signing out. Oh, and be sure to see my part 2 of my NES review, which will come soon. Because now I got new 72-pin connector. My NES works. So I got some good results. So thank you for watching. Multi-Classic Gamer signing out.